Hello scholars, I am going to briefly show you how to have a Google Doc open or another document open on your computer while you're viewing a video so that you can actually type and take notes while you're watching. Because if I were to keep it like this, I would have to watch part of the video, pause it, and then click back over here to take my notes. Pretty simple actually. You take the tab, this is my note-taking tab, my document, and I'm going to pop it into a new screen. I'm going to come up here and I'm not going to minimize it all the way, that makes it go away. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So here I can click play on my video and be able to type over here. All right, see if you are, I want you to practice that a couple times before you actually get going, because I don't want you to get too frustrated. Thank you.